Dear students, greetings to all of you. I welcome you all to the course AEX 201 Communication Skills and Personality Development 1 plus 1. This session is about Lecture 1, which covers communication, its meaning and process, functions of communication, and types of communication. The outline of this lecture is arranged as follows. First, we will learn about the meaning and definition of communication, followed by the functions of communication. There are 4 functions of communication which we will explore one by one in detail. Next, we will discuss the types of communication. There are 10 types of communication, each of which will be explained in detail with examples in the upcoming slides. The next heading is the types of communication. The 10 different types of communication are 1. Verbal communication, 2. Non-verbal communication, 3. Extrapersonal communication, 4. Intrapersonal communication, 5. Interpersonal communication, 6. Small group communication, 7. Mass group communication, 8. Dyadic communication, 9. Public speaking, and 10. Organizational communication. Verbal communication. The messages or information which are exchanged or communicated through words is called as verbal communication. The verbal communication includes listening, speaking, reading, and writing. The examples for verbal communication are 1. Two friends chatting about their weekend plans. 2. A job interview where the candidate answers questions and discusses their qualifications. 3. A professor delivering a lecture to students in a classroom. 4. A singer performing a song on stage. 5. A formal debate competition in a school or university. Nonverbal communication. The messages or information which are exchanged or communicated without using any spoken or written words is known as nonverbal communication. The nonverbal communication is also known as gestural communication. The nonverbal communication includes eye contact, gestures, body language, and facial expressions. Interpersonal communication. A form of communication which occurs between two or more individuals in face-to-face situations is called as interpersonal communication. A group of farmers gathers at a local agricultural fair to discuss the latest farming techniques and sharing their experiences with each other is an example of interpersonal communication among a group of farmers. Intrapersonal communication. A form of communication which takes place within the individual is called as intrapersonal communication. In this picture, a woman farmer standing in her maize field and plans for the upcoming harvest. She is having an internal dialogue with herself, thinking about the weather, soil conditions, and the various tasks that need to be completed to ensure a successful harvest. This is an example of interpersonal communication.